Hello, Willie Stultz here, used truck sales manager for Industrial Power Truck and Equipment. Today we're going to be doing a walk around on this 2018 International 4300. Stock number is 42012 if you'd like to take a look at it on our website. Before we jump into the walk around on this truck though, we want to make sure you hit that subscribe and that like button, so every time we put new merchandise on the website, you will be notified and you can take a look at it. We bring these trucks in from our customers' trade-ins and from our leasing departments. We weed out the trucks we don't want and wholesaling, keeping just the best trucks for our customers to buy. Once we do that, we go through a 150-point check. We check the cabs, bodies, brakes, tires, lift gates, engine transmission fluids. Any discrepancies that are found, we run them through our medium shop and our body shop. Once that's done, we do a test drive, QC, clean up, and put them online for our customers to take a look at. As we said, we've got a 2018 International 4300. It's a 25.9 GVW, so it is under CDL. And on top of that 150-point check, we have gone through and changed the engine oil, the oil filter, fuel and air filters have been changed. The DPF filter has been cleaned and serviced. And this truck has been pre-qualified for that AGWS extended warranty, so you can purchase this truck, put that warranty on it, and know you got something behind you. Let's take a look at the inside of the truck real quick. As we climb into the truck, plenty of grab handles. This particular truck has got an air ride captain's chair in it for the driver. We got a two-person bench, so you got seating for three. We got great outward visibility, but the upward visibility is pretty good too with the slope nose. We said this is a diesel automatic. This truck does have the Cummins 6.7 diesel automatic transmission, so it's very easy to drive. This truck has air brakes, and it is an air ride truck, so great for going down the road. We've got an AM/FM radio. We have the AC cruise control. And even though this is a 2018 year model truck, you can take a look at it. They was really well taken care of. Clean, nice, safe, dependable ride for your guys to get in and start making you money with. Let's take a look at the business into the truck real quick. Here at Industrial Power, we are a Isuzu and Hino dealer, but from time to time we do get other makes of trucks. And even though this is an international truck, we still give these trucks the same love as we do our Isuzu and Hino trucks. So you know when you buy a truck from us that it has been gone through and it is going to be very dependable. A lot of times when you start looking at pre-owned trucks, the corner caps are knocked out, the sides are beat up and dented. This truck is in really good shape. You can see not a lot of rust on it. This truck's got really good rubber on it. It's got new mud flaps. This particular truck has got a step bumper on the back with a 13-foot pull-out walk ramp. We can leave the walk ramp set up free if you'd like, or we can take and remove the ramp and the step bumper and put either a rail lift or a tuck-away lift, whatever suits your needs the best. As you can see, you come up the walk ramp nice and easy. Bring your loads on a dolly. We have got a 2697 tall, 102 wide van body. It's got the slats down the side. We do have the capabilities to go ahead and add a couple rows of E-track to this truck if you'd like. All the way up the front and down the sides, we got the scuff. It's got a really nice translucent roof in it. I like the translucent roof because even though it's a little dreary outside, you've got plenty of light to see what's going on in here. It's got two nice LED dome lights for the early morning, late afternoon deliveries. It's got a really nice laminated hardwood floor that still has a lot of life left in it. A lot of our customers come into Industrial Power just knowing that they need a delivery truck, really not knowing what size or what we got. As we got this big 26-foot truck that is in excellent shape, we can still take and wrap this body and the cab if you'd like to with your name, your design, your logos, turning that fuel money into advertising money while you're driving down the road. As we say, we got a really nice 2018 International 4300. It is set up for the AGWS extended warranty, 25.9 GVW, so it comes in under CDL. You can go to our website, iptruck.com, go to our Facebook page, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that like button so every time we put new trucks on there, you'll be notified. If you'll stick with us for a second, We're going to pop the hood on this truck, do a little more closer, intimate walk around of it while it's running. And as always, we appreciate your time.